group of father and daughters. What's a goal? But let's put it into one word. One word that we can kind of keep coming back to.
You're writing more than one word or just one?
No, you can write more than one.
Okay, but if you're
I wrote it.
if you're mentally challenged like me, one is okay.
All those words are great, but if we don't know why we're doing it, or why we're doing these things, they just become words. They just become barking in the air.
Devin, could you talk about presence and what you meant by that? Because I think I know what you meant. But...
Yeah, I was just talking to Aaron in front of the camera earlier. And I just really want to be present this week because I've just been kind of running around. And so it's like, I want to be here, but I'm also just really tired from my summer. So, yeah, I want to be present.
Any others you guys want to throw out there? Or does one kind of boil to the top for you that you want to make a motion for or whatever?
I like gift, because this is a gift.
I'll just circle that one for right now.
I like the purposeful because it kind of brings intention and that there's more than just this trip that this trip is going to affect. Like there's a purpose in sharing with other people and hopefully bringing them like healing in their lives. And so I think that word stuck out to me.
Well, I put purposeful because if you don't do things on purpose, you also get meaningless results.
Yeah.
And it's very much on purpose that we're all sitting here together, and it takes purposeful attitudes and just like a willingness to be in that space, and it's not easy, but it's something you choose, something we choose, and something we've chosen to say yes to by being here. And yeah, I want to continue to say yes to that, so that it can turn into lots of other things.
Yeah.
The word I wrote, openness, and by openness, I just mean, I've been praying for everybody here, but especially Devin and I, that we would have an openness of conversation, and so things that maybe in normal everyday life or limited time together, or for all the reasons, fear, rejection, whatever the different emotions are that we carry with us that hinder our openness, that we would experience openness in our dialogue and in our relationship, and especially as a father towards his daughter, and towards my children, I want my kids to be able to ask me anything. And I don't think that they've always known that they could ask me anything, because they don't ask a lot of questions. And certainly I think I've grown in my willingness and desire and the wisdom of being more open about my past, for example.
So you should circle it.
Oh, I got it.
Okay, yeah.
It's kind of self-serving. I voted for my own word.
That's all right. Good word. It's a good word.
Yeah.
Mindy, is there a word out there that's, from what you've heard these guys describe?
I think I like purposefulness, just because it is the why behind why we're here. I mean, all of us made a sacrifice to be here, and if we're not mindful and purposeful of what we're doing and why we're here, then it's just a waste of time and another week and another fish story. And that's not what this is all about. So I like purposefulness.
Molly, was there one that stood out to you?
I like openness.
Should I mark that?
To a piece of art.
Thanks for the help, Molly. I appreciate it.
Sorry to back up your word.
Thank you for being open about that. We're going to do Red Rover. Yeah.
Well, I think you need to vote for which one.
Purposeful openness.
Open. I do think that we could legitimately do Purpopen. It sounds like ibuprofen a little bit, but
Is there a pill? Yeah, that would be awesome. Give me a couple Purpopens.
I mean, we get it. It's purposeful and it's opens.
I
all
like
in
it.
one.
That's really cool.
Actually shorter than both of them.
It is.
Oh no.
So
Y'all should have voted for why.
I think that if you guys are you guys
Purpopen.
does that kind of bring it all together and we're kind of good? So Purpopen,
Purpopen.
Purpopen.
That's gonna make a good T-shirt.
All right. Here's your challenge. Stand next to one of the strings. Go ahead and grab onto it gently, and I'll just kind of hold this. So maybe everybody has to get to. Actually, Mindy, jump in here. Do it. So that's right. So you hold at least 4 feet out, and you guys are gonna write the word Purpopen. You need to get it on this canvas, okay?
Towards us.
Oh.
Towards us.
Nope, other way.
Yeah, way to go.
Nice.
A little flair in there and everything.
How about that recovery?
Yeah.
Right, work hard.
Awesome job, you guys. It will have its silly moments for Popen. It will have its moments when it will ask you a question, and in some kind of ways it will draw a line in the sand. And you'll be on the side of the normal way of doing things, and then you gotta ask yourself, like, wait a minute, this is a goal word, to be Purpopen. And I just want to challenge you to let it have some impact in your life for a few days, to be Purpopen.
Special place, Father, and I'm thankful for the ability to be here, even just for movement today in the river and breath another day, knowing that we can't take the next day for granted, Father. And this is a pretty special time to be here with one another, especially as father and daughter, but also, Father, to really lean into more of you, as Aaron said. Where are you calling us to go with you that brings us more wholeness and more healing as we step forward as only you can bring? We lean into all of that these next few days together, and I pray they would be monumental. We know you'll meet us in this place, and so we look forward to your work, and we give you permission to do whatever you know you need to do in our hearts. In your name, Jesus, amen.